Hey everyone, today we're going to start assembling the fingers for the Burning Gundam. It took a long time to get all the prints correct. I printed out the hands. This is the fifth time trying to make it fit because the first time was too wide. Second time it was still just a little too wide. The third time it was still too short. The fourth time it was still just a little too short on the Z-axis. And then on the fifth try, I finally got it right. So now I got that. But the fingers, on the other hand, that took me, I would say, 4, maybe 5 different tries to get it right because some of the fingers were just too big, or I just couldn't. They were too small. Feel bad a little bit about wasting filament, but I guess it's okay. But yeah, here's all the bad prints that I did before. So hopefully I got them scaled correctly and that everything will work fine. Okay, so I got the fingers all glued together, so now let's going to put them on. So pinky, ring, middle, index, and thumb. Looks like I might have put one piece upside down. Alright, I can fix that, but there you go. There's the idea, and I left a little extra so I can glue these on to the actual gloves themselves. So now I'm going to fix this one piece, and then I'm going to get started on the second hand, the other hand. Okay, so now I have the other hand done, so let's get those on and test those out. So pinky, ring, middle, index, and thumb. Thumb piece is a little tight, but okay. There you go. Yeah, it's two different colors because the gray I was using initially, it ran out, so I had to switch over to this neon green, which is fine because I'm going to sand it and paint it anyway, so that's fine. So now I'm going to work on trying to glue these fingers to this glove on the inside, right in here, on these knuckles here, and hopefully I can get those to stay, and then I will have a full complete glove, and then I am almost between like 80-85% done printing all of the suit. All I have to print now really is just the thighs, and I'm still trying to figure out like to make sure I get the scaling right and everything like that. So I'm going to start gluing these on, and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so I got the gloves all glued together, and I also got a lot of CA glue on my fingers, so I have to figure out how to take that off because it kind of burns a little bit, but I should be okay. So don't worry. So now we're going to try these gloves on to see how they turned out. I hope they turned out well because I really don't want to have to print the fingers again because that would be the 6th time or 7th time that I had to print them. That wouldn't be fun. Alright, so here we'll try on the left hand first. And I'm going to like go back through and like just solidify them on there better so they don't pop off. And plus it's got to take me a little bit of practice to get these on because I haven't done this yet. So let's see. Not too bad. So let's try this theory. Alright, look at that. I got it, sort of. Some of the fingers just need to be like taken off and re-glued back on. But there you go. This hand of mine is burning red. Its loud roar tells me to grasp victory. I can kind of do his move, but there you go. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And also, if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up to let me know that you liked the video. And thank you for watching. Bye.